Hello guys, welcome to my next video, and in this video I want to show you how we can use a simple terminal debugger for debugging our C++ programs on Linux. For example, we have such a simple program that's only using three variables, and in third variable we just summarized values of first two variables and then just print it. Let's compile it, our program. Oh, I mean C++, of course. Oh, sorry guys. Wrong type of debugger, wrong type of compiler, I mean. This is for C program actually. When we compile our program with a compiler called G++, we need to set this flag G to add in our binary special debug symbols. Now let's compile it and then run it. We see that all working right. We get a value 30 from our variable result that initialized with this value. And now, for example, we need to debug our program. What we have to do in this situation? In almost every Linux distribution we have a debugger called GDB. Even if you don't have it from the box, you just need to install it with your package manager. For example, if we're talking about distributions, Debian-based distributions like Ubuntu, you need to type command apt install GDB, I hope so. Or if you're using the pacman on Arch Linux, you need to type something like pacman s and GDB, if I remember this right. Okay, you can check it. You can easily check it in Google or in any language model. When you installed a debugger called GDB, you just need to write GDB and then give it as argument your binary file of C++ program. Now we see that this debugger already read all debug symbols from this binary file, and now we can debug our program. For example, we want to set a breakpoint from the beginning of main function. We have to print b, that means breakpoint, and print main, and then I mean write b and write main, and then press enter. As a next step, we can actually do in steps. For that purpose, we have to write s or n command. S command means that we step only in one instruction. Oh, sorry, no instruction, si. But if we type s, this is a step enter. For example, if we step in with this command and we have function call, we just call this function and execution begin from start of a function. But if we type command n, this means step auto, and if we have call of a function, we don't go inside function. We just program just execute all body of function and go on. Okay, let's do it in a simple way and just using command n, press enter. Sorry guys, for the first of all we need to run our program. Press R, that means run and enter. Now we can step in, press N and enter, I mean type N and enter. Now we can see that we have already initialized our var0 variable with a value of 10, and we step on another line, a 6th line, and here we have var1. For example, what if we need to see a value of actual value of variable var1, and for example, what if we don't know exactly what value is containing in var1? Then we need to use command print or just p, type p, and then give it as argument var1 and press enter. Now we can see that this variable right now contain such a garbage because now we already don't initialize it with any value. But if we did another step and print another time a value of our variable, now we can see that this variable contain initializing value of 20. And on next step, another very useful command called L or list. With this command we can list much more lines of our code. Now we can see our program, and we can see that we already stepped to line 7 line. Now we can go forward. We can see that execution set to line 9, and if we do another step, guys, I think this is very important to say. If we already did a command, then we can just press enter, and this command, last command, just continuing to execute. If we already stepped, we don't need to type another one, and we can just press enter. Yeah, like you see, we stepped to line 11 on return 0, and then doing another step, another several steps, and we complete our debug session. And I think, guys, I need to show you another very important stuff that you can make with GDB debugger. Actually, GDB debugger very powerful tool, and I think I need many hours to show you how many things this tool can do, but today I want to show you very basic stuff, most important things. Now let's try to debug our program again. Press R, type R and press enter. Yes, we want to start from the beginning. And now I show you how we can display our variables, value of our variables, when you want to see a value of variables in automated way. We need to type display or just disp, and then give it as argument name of a variable, for example var0, press enter, and now we can see that value of this variable showing to us, and even if we are continuing to step in, this value will continue to showing to us. Press N, type N and press enter, and we can see as I said, we can see a value of variable in every step. We don't need to print it like we did in previous debug session. We see it in every step. And of course, guys, I have to show you another very useful tool in GDB called layout, and you need to type next and then press enter. And now we open another layout of GDB where we can find assembly code, and if you know assembly, you can read it and understand more tricky things. And if you want to test another type of layout, just print this command another time. Now you can see that we added with this command another layout that show us our C++ code. This is very useful. And if you type it another one time, I think, yeah, I forgot that thing actually. We can see even basic registers, general registers of assembly of CPU, I mean. If we type it another one time, okay, we have here assembly, and another time we have here just only code on C++. And you can type this command so many times how you want, and take all layouts that you want to take. And now we can step and see in more useful way, I think. Okay, guys, we complete our another debug session, and I think this basic information is pretty enough to debug our programs. Thank you guys for your attention, and if this information was useful for you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and see you later.